Okay, let's do Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Free Fallin'. Great song. I got the capo on the 3rd fret. I'm tuned up, standard tuning. You're going to play a D chord to start. D shape, I'm sorry. Let's talk about shapes. You know how to play the D. We've already been through that. Well, you know how to play this shape. I got to stop saying D chord. You're going to play a D shape. And then you're going to play a D shape sus4 where you put your pinky down, but there's one more move. You're going to have to lift your middle finger and put it on the 6th fret of the low E string. But I want you to keep your pointer finger and ring finger have to stay locked in position. Do not move them. So you're going to switch from the D, and now you're going to lift your middle finger, put it down here, and add your pinky. One more time. Regular D shape, then put your pinky down and move your middle finger. And make sure that your pointer finger and your ring finger stay where they are. Again. Another strum. Back to D. And now you're going to play the shape of an A sus4. Which is, I'm using one finger. I'm plucking 5 strings. The A string, the D string, the G string, the B string, and the E string. But I'm doing it with one finger, and I'm covering the D, G, and B. Gonna leave the high E open, the low A open, and you're gonna add your ring finger to fret number 6 on the B string. Now, if you can't bend this finger back far enough, you could do it with 2 fingers and a pinky. So you could play an open A string. You could put your middle finger on the 5th fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 5th fret of the G string, and add your pinky on the 6th fret of the B string, and make sure you strum 5 strings and they all sound. So it goes. Now, the other part of it, there's 2 guitars or maybe even 3 guitars. Okay, now this is done in an E shape. Okay. So I'm just going to use 2 fingers because I'm not going to play the whole chord. I'm just going to use it. So we're going to pluck the D, G, B, and E. I'm not sure if he's doing this. He might be playing a full chord. Don't know, but I like it like this. So a semi E chord. Okay. Again, pluck the D, G, B, and E strings. Make sure the B and the E stay ringing. Then you're going to play an E sus4 by adding your ring finger to fret number 3 on the G string, and still pluck 4 strings. Then lift the ring finger, and then the last chord is this. And what is that? Point the finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your pinky on the 5th fret of the G string. You're going to pluck 5 strings, the A, D, G, B, and E, and make sure they all ring. So it sounds like this. So when when you combine that with the other part, you get a real nice color of what the guys in the band are actually playing. I hope that was explained well.